December, and we're still riding out here. About to go meet up with another rider, have some fun today. It's a little chilly. It's like 47 degrees right now, but it's sunny. We're still riding out here. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Man, look at that Evo! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, met up with the Gsxr guy. This guy's crazy. This thing is loud as hell. Damn! Damn, look at this guy. This guy's crazy. Wow. This guy's just popping wheelies like nothing. One more time, brother. Ride my own ride, bro. This guy's a little wild. Yeah, good wheelies, man.
It's hard, bro. My tires spin before.
The
roads are so cold, we're not getting grip.
Yeah.
That's why I gotta put it down low. I get scared.
Give it to me one more time, brother. Damn. Woo! Oh man, this guy's crazy. Don't know these roads, got to be extra careful. Pretty good rider. Man, these roads are pretty nice. I should have came up here in the summertime. Oh man, it's freaking cold. Man, my hands are freezing right now. Oh man. I need to get some non-ventilated gloves. What's going on, guys? Just split up with the other guy. Give you guys a quick walk around. The girl's pretty dirty, but she sounds good, rides good. It's freaking cold right now, man. man, I need to invest in some heated gloves or some heated grips. That'd be nice. On the way back home, let's get it in. Just wanna like lay in my bed with the heater right now. It's too freaking cold right now, man. Sounds good. Let's go. Definitely happy to be out right now, but man, it's cold, man. It's cold. But that Gsxr dude, man, he's a good rider. He can pop wheelies, really quick on the twisties. Didn't want to try to keep up with him because he was fast. That would have just led to mistakes or a crash for me if I tried to keep up with him. So I just had to tell myself to ride my own ride. Just want to make it back home safe. But today was a good day. Glad to be back on the bike. This coming week is supposed to be really nice, so probably get more riding time in, some more videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. Help me get to 1K. Let's go, baby.